Welcome back, everybody. This is Unit 5, Design Thinking. This is Lesson 3, See Through Their Eyes. يعني هو بيطلب منك إنك to put yourself in people's shoes. Buddy means a friend, okay? Buddy means a friend. حتى الفعل buddy تيجي كverb. When you try to buddy up with somebody معناها بتتقرب لحد يعني. Understand, okay? Understand concepts. It's not easy to understand certain concepts about space. Challenge, face the challenge. Confused, I feel confused. Real, when I say write a paragraph about a real situation that you've experienced before. Real situation. Brainstorm ideas. This is the first step before you do any writing. Newcomers. We welcome newcomers in our school. نعمل لهم حفلة. Design, our unit is called Design Thinking. Problem. Okay. Problem is the opposite of solution. Problem and solution. Problem and solution. Read يا سند.
Body friend, understand concepts, face a challenge, feel confused, real situation, brainstorm ideas, welcome newcomers, design thinking, problem and solution.
Yeah, problem and solution. Ideas, when you say brainstorm ideas or positive ideas, Sanat usually comes up with positive ideas about exams. Student closely. Sometimes you need to look closely at different things. Nervous. Feel nervous. It's normal to feel nervous before the exams. Corner. When you say around the corner. My house is around the corner. My house is around the corner. Important. When I say it's important element. Writing a topic sentence is an important element in a paragraph. Confident. Feel confident. The more you feel positive, the more you feel confident. Curious about. You gotta be curious about your lessons. لازم يكون عندك الشغف الفضول. Break. Yeah, it's okay. If you get tired, take a break. Group. Um, طبعا I don't like the idea of the study group. I don't like the idea of the study group. Notice, and you notice some changes. Notice changes. Plan. You need to plan your school day. Plan your school day. School map. Test. Every now and then you need to do a quiz to test your understanding of something. Test understanding. Solutions again. Find solutions for. Find solutions for. Read يا زياد.
Positive, positive ideas, take a break, student, study group, look closely, feel nervous, around corner, important element, feel confident, about curious, changes, notes changes, plan your school day, school map, your understanding test, find solutions.
Okay. تعالى let's page number 211. 211. Yemen. I welcome my friend Adel at home. This means I
Relaxed,
know or I greeted him.
greeted,
Yeah, greeted him. Two.
The word body has the same meaning as
Buddy. Yeah.
opinionated, opinionated,
So buddy means a friend. Buddy means a friend. Gannet. Gannett, good designs starts with the real people. Sanad,
Good design starts with the real people. Real can be replaced by
okay.
factual.
Real means factual. I get true. Number 4, this affects mixed nerve. Sanad number 4.
This affects OUS makes a nervous
Yeah,
adjective.
adjective. It turns it into an adjective. Okay. We get more questions on page number 213. Ziad,
Is the synonym of the word worried, relaxed,
synonym, the same meaning.
nervous.
Nervous. Ziad, 2.
The new student looked confident.
Okay, look here. He did not
He did not
know.
know where to sit, confused.
Confused. Yamin, the, the teachers was to find a way to make life
challenge.
challenge. 4, to see through their eyes means see through their eyes.
Forget. Understand.
And next, to understand how someone else feels. Bilal, a close friend who helps you is friend.
Close friend who helps you is buddy.
Okay, so buddy. Bilal, 5.
When you arrive at new place, you are a newcomer.
So to understand, okay, this is number 8. The number 6. To understand how someone feels, you need to understand their feelings.
Feelings.
Yeah. 7. You're a newcomer. You said 7. Newcomer.
Yeah.
Abdullah, the group decided to no ideas for the project. Abdullah, the group decided to collect ideas. يا عبد الله معناها ايه؟ collect ideas.
كولكت ايديز جمع افكار.
ها مفيش collect، عايز حاجة بنفس المعنى.
برين ستورم.
brainstorm. 9. Abdullah,
A challenge is something new and that requires effort. And simple.
so a challenge is something new and
And
simple.
difficult.
Difficult. How new? سجدة.
The opposite of relaxed is nervous.
Yeah, so the opposite, nervous. Number 11. Ideas is to come up with creative ideas.
Brainstorm.
Brainstorm ideas. Okay. Taya, 13.
A task or situation that tests someone's ability is a challenge.
So A task or situation that tests someone's abilities is a challenge. 14.
Feeling is an emotional state or reaction is.
Feeling. Good. Luigi?
We skipped number 11.
Luigi هتحلي number 11. A newcomer is someone who has
Rectin.
so this is recent. A newcomer is someone who has recently يعني مؤخرا لسه جاي. جنات جنات زياد.
Feeling.
Okay. Feeling word means anxious about,
Nervous.
nervous. 16 يا جنات.
Down.
So unable to
16.
think clearly means confused.
Confused.
Ziad.
Omar and his group wrote down everything.
So Omar and his wrote down everything. Ziad 18.
Omar's challenge was to help new students feel welcomed.
Feel. Ziad 19.
Mr. Ahmed used to talk his students friendly and closely to his students.
Talk to his students. هنضيف page number 215 في الهومورك. 216 and 217. 217. Thank you. That's it for lesson 3.